Let's look at the major components that comprise a typical GMAW welding station. The first item, and the largest, is the power source, also called the power supply or transformer. This is where the welding current is generated. The next unit is the wire feeder. The wire feeder's task is to draw the wire off the spool and push it through the welding gun. You will notice that wire feeders may be mounted separately from the power source or built into the power source, offering a compact welding unit. The next item is the welding gun. The welding gun is the means by which the welder or operator deposits the filler to the weld joint. Most welding guns contain a trigger switch that is used to start and stop the power source and wire feeder. The next important item on a typical welding station is the shielding gas, also called welding gas. The gas is contained in a heavy steel cylinder, sometimes called a gas bottle. Each unit or item mentioned so far has to be connected or coupled to the power supply, the wire feeder and the shielding gas, with their associated cables, leads and hoses.